If the images that you are receiving in WhatsApp application are not showing in gallery of your iPhone, then let us see how to fix the issue. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to make sure that the images that you receive in WhatsApp can be downloaded and saved to the gallery. For that one, open WhatsApp application, go to settings here, go to storage and data, and there is an option here, media auto download, and then you have different medias here like photos, audio, video, documents. So if you want the images to be automatically saved to the gallery, then open photos and then select when you want to download the images. If you want to download the images when you are connecting your device with Wi-Fi only, then select Wi-Fi. If you want the images to be downloaded when using Wi-Fi and cellular both, then select Wi-Fi and cellular. Similarly, if you want the audio that you receive to be downloaded, then you can go to audio, and then again you can either select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular so that the audios can be downloaded. Same thing you can do to video and documents also. So after you have done this, the next thing that you have to do is go back again, go to chats, and there is an option here, save to camera roll. You can see automatically save photos and videos you receive to your phone's camera roll. So make sure that this option is also selected so that the audios and videos or photos whatever you are receiving can be downloaded and saved to the gallery of your iPhone. The last thing that you can check is also make sure that there is enough storage in your iPhone so that the medias can be downloaded and saved to the gallery of your iPhone. For that one, we will go to settings here, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check how much of space there is left in your iPhone. For me, out of 64 gigabyte, I have 28.9 gigabyte left. That means I have enough space. So do all of these things and hopefully the images that you receive in WhatsApp will show in the gallery of your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.